Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another mining app review. So it's video only for review. Mm, in previous days, I also made this video. So how to join this mining app? I want to I was show you this that's video. So in before I introduce my YouTube channel name is crypto and travel news. Here is the two parts. One part crypto related video continue uploaded and every day, and also other related travel related news uploaded in this site. So if you get any information from my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. So I want to introduce with my Telegram group. My Telegram group name is BTCI Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. It's you have joined this site, you will get any information from this site. So if you core mining, you can also exchange your hash card in my Telegram group. Other information available here. You can share your gift card in my Telegram group. তো আমার বিটিসি এর সাতোশ গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ একটা টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপ আছে, আপনারা যদি যোগদান করতে পারেন এখানে আপনাদের সকল প্রকার ইনফরমেশন পেয়ে যাবেন। সো আমি মনে করি আপনারা এখানে জয়েন হন এবং আপনাদের গিফট কার্ড এবং হ্যাশ কার্ডগুলো এখানে শেয়ার করুন। If you need any hash card, you can collect from this Telegram group. Okay, now I go to my main topic. Uh, this is this mining app name is Satoshi Mystery. I was made this video how to join this, how to earn from. Here is not any information update in this app. So I want to give you information for mining this app, because of this mining app totally different. Here is in many mining app have advertise and paid site. So it's only for advertise, no advertise in this site. So I hope you can join this and keep mining in this site. সো এই সাইটটার সবচেয়ে বড় হলো যে এইখানে কোনো অ্যাপে মানে কোনো অ্যাপের মধ্যে যে আপনার বিজ্ঞাপন আসে সেটা এটার মধ্যে নেই। টোটালি এটা অন্যরকম একটা মাইনিং অ্যাপ। আপনারা যদি এখানে জয়েন হও অটোমেটিকলি এটা মাইনিং হতে থাকবে। তো সেটার প্রসেসের জন্য কি কি করতে হবে সেটা আমি পূর্বের ভিডিওতে দেখাইছি। আমি অবশ্যই এটা লিঙ্ক দিয়ে রাখবো ভিডিও ডিসক্রিপশনে। এটার সবচেয়ে বড় আরও গুণ হলো যে আপনাকে এখানে কোনো রকম এসে প্রতি 24 ঘন্টা বা 2 দিন পর 10 দিন পর এসে আপনার মাইনিং স্টার্ট করবে। এটা টোটালি অটোমেটিকলি মাইনিং করতে থাকবে। সো হিয়ার ইজ আদার ইটস অ্যাপ টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট বিকজ অফ no game every day you cannot logging this. You wish you can log in this site. They cannot force you every time logging this. so it's different. And also I also uh, tell you, uh, here is no advertise in this mining app. So uh, if you join this app, please please here this code I also send you where in Telegram group, and also uh, YouTube video description. So here is your account ID. No information available update here. It's totally only for mining. You can mining now. So in future is is news update when I get. Then I also uploaded this video. So now I go to YouTube channel is uploaded video previously. So how to join this app? You need to have to uh, co Discord app. If you open a Discord app, you cannot mining this app. So I was made this video about how to join this in this site. It's very easy. If you open a Discord account and then logging, and when you go to your when you go to Satoshi Mystery app, you need have to Discord account. Then they এখানে আপনার রেফারেল কোড you get a referral code it's 2U76M9F9. If you use this referral code, you get hash power, your speed power is 2+20 every day. So if you not use this, you cannot join this site, and also you cannot speed your mining speed. So I hope you also use this. When you use this referral code, you will get 2 gems power. When I registration, I cannot get a referral code, so I I could not get I could not receive 0.2 for hash power. So I also request you, please join this site and keep mining, and is in future is good benefit from this site. So no more today. Pray and hope. If you any comment this video, okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.